In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in FigJam file. We'll go from opening your workspace to selecting your text to applying bold so your key points stand out clearly. First, open your browser, go to figma.com and log into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace so you can access the boards you need. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home screen. Next, open your FigJam board. You can click FigJam in the sidebar to view your boards, or simply choose a recent FigJam file from the Recent section. That will take you straight into your collaborative whiteboard. Inside your FigJam file, click on a piece of text you want to edit, or add a new one if you're starting fresh. When you select text in FigJam, a small formatting toolbar appears. If you don't see it, double-click to enter text editing mode so you get the text cursor. Now you can highlight the exact words or sentences you want to emphasize, or select all if you want everything in that text box to change. To make the selected text bold, click the B icon in the formatting toolbar. You should see the weight of the letters increase immediately. If you prefer shortcuts, you can use the standard bold shortcut on your keyboard. Click B again to toggle bold off if you change your mind. Remember, bold applies to whatever is selected. If nothing is highlighted and your cursor is active, turning bold on will apply to text you type next. A few quick tips while you're here. In FigJam, text can live in standalone text boxes, shapes, or sticky notes. The bold control works the same way across them. Select the text so the toolbar appears, then use B. If the toolbar seems to be off screen, zoom in a bit or move the canvas so you can see it clearly. For clean hierarchy, reserve bold for headings, action items, or key terms, and keep surrounding text regular for contrast. And that's it. You went to figma.com and logged in, opened your FigJam file from FigJam or Recents, clicked on existing text or added a new one so the tools appear, and then pressed B to make it bold. With that simple workflow, you can highlight the most important parts of your ideas and make your FigJam boards easier to scan during live sessions and reviews.